Hello there, this is Mr. Haslet, and I thought I would show a demonstration on how to do stairs. So this is specifically with 2-point perspective. Here's my setup. I've got a blank piece of paper, I've got a horizon line, and I've got 2 vanishing points on the sides. I'm going to take a straight edge, and for my stairs for this demo, what I'm going to do is this. 5 lines that go to one of the vanishing points here on the left. So here's number 1. These are going to be light tracing lines. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I say light lines because we may not use all of them. Actually, we're not going to use all of them. We're going to switch off between these vanishing points, and I'm going to highlight certain lines over others. So we're actually done with the left vanishing point. I've got 5 lines going that way. Next, I'm going to switch between the right vanishing point and verticals. I'm going to zig and zag. So from the right side, I'm going to line up my ruler here, right vanishing point, and I'm going to cross over those first 2 lines that I did. See that? From one to the next. When I move away the straight edge, you can see where I ended. I'm going to keep that point. Now I'm going to do a vertical straight up and down. Where people usually go wrong here is that they don't do it actually vertical. They think, well, they're sloping down, so I'm going to slope too. Don't do that. Line up your ruler with the edge of your paper. You can see if those are parallel. If you have a T-square, you can line up with the base of your desk, right where you're sitting. So I went across to my right vanishing point, then I did a vertical. I'm going to pick up where I left off again. Notice how I'm lining my straight edge to the vanishing point. Going to the next pair, and now I'm going to do another vertical. You can start to see the zigzag come into play. 2-point perspective stairs, I've done one edge. I'm going to repeat that. I'm going to do the same thing, lining up to the right vanishing point, crossing over the first 2 lines that I did, then a vertical where I ended off, right vanishing point. We are almost done. And a vertical. So now it kind of looks like a red carpet over stairs. You know, if you're trying to make a real fancy setting. Let me show a little bit more on the side so that you can see this depth a little bit better. If I do a light vertical here, I'm just guessing where it ends, but we just erase the lines we don't need, so that's not a problem. Then I'm gonna go from this middle corner, you can see this way, middle corner, aiming up toward the vanishing point. Here, wherever they cross over, that's my corner right there. My back corner, so I'll erase what I don't need. And I'm going to do a little bit of shading so it's easier to see. Here's my 2-step staircase. To make it even clearer, I can erase these setup lines. I call them scaffolding. And there's my 2-step stairs. That is that. Go ahead and practice by yourself.